What if your next high performing thumbnail actually starts with the right title? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I am going to share my screen to walk you through how I use vidIQ's title generator to not only spark an idea, but I use it to then create a thumbnail designed to stop the scroll. If you ever feel stuck staring at a blank canvas screen, wondering what to create, or if you are just not a creative genius like other big YouTube creators, this is the shortcut you've been waiting for. I already created the video and I fed the title to vidIQ and it gave me a score. This makes it so much easier for vidIQ to create a description and tags and subsequently the thumbnail. So with this information that vidIQ already has, I'm going to let vidIQ help me create a winning thumbnail from the generated title, description, and tag. And I'm going to let you get an inside peek on how this tool works and why you need it. Let's get started. Okay, so now we're on the Generate tab on vidIQ. When you log into vidIQ, you would just go to Create and then Generate. I already generated a title, and vidIQ, you type your title up here, and vidIQ will give you a version and a score. But I didn't like the version and I didn't like the score. So I just copy and pasted this down here and just changed to a semicolon right there. And it gave me a 97%, which is good. And on this screen, you'll see a description for the video and you'll see tags. I would use the tags in the description. I would put them in the description or ask ChatGPT to do so. But this is not what this video is about. What vidIQ does, it does give you some generic thumbnails. This is my face. And I don't know what this is all about. A Christmas tree, we ain't into that. So these would not work for me. These are just the basic generic stuff. And then it gives you an advanced feature, an advanced thumbnail builder called a smart thumbnail builders. And this is where we're going to go. What it does is that it uses the hook to create the thumbnail, and then I'm going to paste my prompt that I have if I'm not satisfied with the results that vidIQ gives. So it's going to do its thing in the background. This is the prompt that it used, including the hook and the title of the video. And let's see what it comes up with. Come on now. We ain't got no long time now. Okay, yes. I have a fly around me. Come on. Yes, it's thinking and thinking and thinking. This is AI. Oh, yeah. Well, I don't like this one. I honestly don't. I don't see a human being in here, but I could still use it and put my face on it. Go to Canva and put my face on it. So that's an option. Let me open it up so you can see. Yeah, finding my way. I didn't ask it to do that. No, I'm sorry. I didn't paste my prompt yet. So it says finding my way and it has a path. So somewhere here in this corner, I would put a face, my face or somebody else's face. Okay, so let's see. Lost no more. This is okay. Rediscovering myself. This is okay too. But that's not what the video is about. So I don't particularly like all of them except for these two. So what I'm going to do is let me download this. Let me download this one for future reference. And so I'm going to paste my prompt. My prompt is telling the AI I want a split screen of a 45-year-old woman. Over on this side, she's sad. Over on this side, she's confident. And the overlay text is, this changed everything. So let's see what it comes up with. And you're allowed to try, until you get the thumbnails that you want. But I think after a while, vidIQ will stop you and tell you come back in 2 hours, or because other people are using the platform. All right, so let's see what's here. This changed everything. I asked to have the woman over here with her with thumbs up. This is okay. I don't think she looks sad enough. Hold on, let me go to the next one. And vidIQ gives you 3 options so that you can do the A/B testing of thumbnails when you're uploading your video. And they're using the same woman with half of her face over here and half over here. I think it's unique, but I don't think it shows the facial expression like I want it to. Okay, come on now. I don't want to make this video too long. Hold on. Let's see. This changed everything. This looks like they're twins. We don't want that. So we're going to try again. Let's try again. Create a thumbnail with split screen off of a 45-year-old having long hair, and she's standing on one side of this split screen. So we're going to try one more time. She's looking extremely sad. Let me put extremely sad. You have to be specific when it comes to AI. Then on the other side of the split screens, it's the same woman, have the same woman, but she is dressed differently this time and looks professional. She's feeling confident and happy with her head held high. All right, let me see. This one has her head down. She's looking extremely sad and defeated and has her head down. Okay, and make the text very large, bold, prominent. Let me put extremely large again here and in white font. So let's see what comes up. And we're just going to try just this last try. So the bottom line is this is a tool that will save you time, because if you were to start from scratch, it would take you longer. But at least it gives you ideas. It gives you, yeah, see? I like this. So yeah, the point is you have to be specific, very specific. Let me see the second one. Excuse me. Because what we're trying to do is to spark curiosity. This is amazing. Yes, this is telling a story, and that's what you want with your thumbnails. And it's clean, it's not crowded. I love it. I don't like this one. I don't even have to go any further. I just don't like this one. This looks like a robot. No, don't like this one. So far we have three because I don't four because I don't downloaded the other two before from the ones we did before. So I'm going to download this one and download this one. Okay, so that's it for now. You need tools to help you create videos that have thumbnails that can go viral and that tells a story and a message, and it helps to describe what the video is about without the person even seeing the title and the description. So I would recommend you getting vidIQ. The link is in the description. Don't sleep on this. Don't sleep on this. It will save you a lot of time. And especially if you are not that creative, like I'm not, I need the tools. And these tools are what big creators are using. vidIQ and TubeBuddy and all that stuff, Pixels. And I have a thumbnail creation playlist that you can go watch if you need help with thumbnails and creating amazing thumbnails. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks for staying until now. I want to give you two free gifts. One, the free video planning guide, and one is the viral video cheat sheet. Both links are in the description. And if you really are ready to grow your channel, automate your channel, I have two ebooks. One is YouTube Creator Starter Kit, and the other one is how to create a successful faceless faceless YouTube channel. Yes, all those links are in the description. And if you feel inclined to support my channel, I'd appreciate it so much. Just click on the super thanks button below the video, and I'll make sure that I will highlight you in the comment section so you can feel extra special. That's it for now. I'm your host, Cheryl, saying bye, but only for now. See you in the next video. Please come back. Yes, I love having you here.